guys, I'm back again in the ground blind. Last Friday, this is where I had my little whoop-de-doo with a buck that came up 10 feet behind me. All I did was I moved my blind closer to the middle of the field right behind an evergreen tree. So I'm kind of hoping that this works out. Take it off the trail, off that deer trail. I put out a little bit of estrus in the hope that these deer are starting to come into the rut mode. It's October 10th, I think, and it is hot. It's something like 75, 76 degrees. I've been sweating all day. Hopefully they don't smell me. I put on a little bit of buck balm, young buck on here, and on my boots to walk in. Laid down a couple of little estrus spots, and I'm hoping this works out along with the old grunter. So here it goes.